Which of the many new Buick models is right for your needs? Discover through the information stored on this revolutionary video disc, activated by a laser beam, and computed automatically through your answers to key questions. When your Buick model is determined, test it against its major competition in the Buick Competitive Challenge. Congratulations! A LeSabre sedan is the Buick for you, and here's why. Welcome to the LeSabre Competitive Challenge. Of the models compared, the Buick LeSabre has the highest EPA estimated miles per gallon of 19. Also the highest estimated highway of 28, and the longest estimated highway cruising range of 700 miles. And the LeSabre is the only one of these models to offer an available 5.7-liter V8 diesel engine for increased fuel efficiency and lower fuel costs, offering an astonishing estimated highway cruising range of 918 miles. Not even the Saturn rocket has GM's exclusive computer command control, but Buick LeSabre does. GM's exclusive computer command control, a new system that uses an onboard computer able to make several calculations a second, and it's standard on all Buicks with gasoline engines. The computer monitors oxygen in the exhaust, engine speed, and coolant temperatures, adjusting the air-fuel mixture to control combustion so that the catalytic converter can minimize emissions. Result? We're helping to clean the air while allowing good fuel economy. Well, folks, the Buick LeSabre can't win them all. Besides, we wanted to see if you were paying attention. However, LeSabre does have the most front and rear seat headroom of all the car models compared here in its class. Of the models compared, LeSabre has the highest EPA fuel economy estimates. It's the only model to offer an available diesel engine, and the only model with computer command control. In addition, LeSabre has the most headroom of the cars compared in its class. Buick LeSabre is clearly the winner in these important areas. Test drive a LeSabre from this dealership today.
Wouldn't you really rather